Hi everyone, and I am Aishwarya Kataukar. Again, we are back here with yet another amazing question to ask our dearest Vraj Gopika Devi Dasi Mataji, and she will answer it for us. So, this is my own question, Mataji. Ever since I started studying Bhagavad Gita and reading the ethics of it, I had this question that uh, the Gita was recited on the battlefield, the Kurukshetra. So I don't know if so many people can also relate to this same question that the Bhagavad Gita is an intense topic, and such intense discussions should take place or they happen in a more secluded manner, मोर प्लान्ड मैनर. हम किसी भी इंटेंस चीज़ को पहले प्लान करते हैं, विल प्लान टू मीट हियर एंड डिस्कस दैट, बट हियर it's the battlefield and the war is about to begin, and Arjun is also ready to fight the war. So why would Lord Krishna choose this place of emergency to recite the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, or was it a random coincidence?
Hmm. Aishwarya, we should understand that life is a war. Tell me a place where life is peaceful. In corporates, in schools or colleges, at homes, nowhere. Even if you go to a jungle, mind is not peaceful. So, this is the best and appropriate place which Krishna has chosen to tell Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. Otherwise, when you are peaceful, then why would anybody like to listen to Bhagavad Gita or to understand Bhagavad Gita?
Yeah.
Usually, people turn to Bhagavad Gita when they are in a situation of crisis. When they are peaceful, they are happy, they would not like to
Not.
listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bhagavad Gita. So Krishna chose this place of telling Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna in this situation, in midst of the war. The war is just going to begin. Everybody is just ready to fight, and here Arjuna is backing away. He's backing away. He says, "I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight." Why? Initially, he came fully ready. He was ready to fight, and then when he just he sees his whom he has to fight with, he sees his pitama, his gurujan, his relatives, he just gets bewildered. He gets
Yeah.
totally bewildered and confused. And that's why, that was the actually this bewildered man, what the plan of Krishna. He wanted Arjuna to get bewildered, and then he could be understanding Bhagavad Gita in a most
Yeah.
effective. He could be understanding Bhagavad Gita properly. And the
Okay.
timing, and the timing also so crucial. In midst of the war, when everybody is just ready to fight, here Arjuna is saying, "No, no, 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 I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight." So what is Krishna saying? कुतस्त्वं कश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम्. एक अर्जुना, तुम्हारे अंदर ये ऐसे कलमश भरे विचार आए भी कहाँ से? और कब? ऐसी विषम स्थिति में, ऐसी विषम स्थिति में जब पूरी युद्ध की तैयारी हो चुकी है और अभी आप कह रहे हो कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं लड़ना है. So you can't just back out from the duties or you have taken on.
Hmm.
So that is why it was most appropriate place and the most appropriate timing to
Right.
tell Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. So
Yeah, I can make like the complete sense of it.
yeah,
And the bewilderment came because of the attachment.
so it's like, we are always like in a our life is like a war. So every time we are fighting the war of our life, but then also we are not able to take up the pressures of this war, and we back out from the our duties,
Yeah.
or whatever like we are supposed to do. So we back out. It's like, just a small example I would like to give here. Like a student, like an engineering student like you know. So you're
Yeah.
just going to get into your engineering college. You take admission into a engineering college and you prepare for the examination throughout the year. And finally, when the exams are over your head, you say, no, 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 I don't want to. I don't want to appear for the exam. So this is not done. You have chosen your college. The college didn't come to you. Similarly, we choose the situations. The situation doesn't come to us. So we don't have any right to back out from these situations. We have to,
All right.
yeah, we have to get into the situations and face. We have to face the situations. But the problem is that we actually are not able to face these situations because we don't follow the transcendental teachings of Bhagavad Gita. So
It.
every time we try to back out from the situations, we get into it from our own will, but then we back out. Like, for
Yeah.
example, people get into love affairs. They get into love affairs so easy. They
Yeah.
get into the institutions of marriage, but then they are not able to face the pressures of the household affairs, household life. And very simply, they just back out, take divorce, back out. So this
Okay.
is
Yeah.
happening in each and every activity of life. This is happening in each and every activity. So here, what is lacking is the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. So
Completely.
Arjuna,
Yes.
Krishna told Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna in midst of this battlefield. Arjuna came very, very, like, with a full mood of fighting. Yes, tell me whom I have got to fight with. He had his Gandhi Dhanush in his hand. He is on his rath, standing on his rath and with his Gandhi Dhanush and telling Arjuna, telling Krishna, please tell me whom I have to fight with. But then when he sees his Gurujan, when he sees his Pitama, when he sees his relatives, he is totally bewildered. Now he's not ready to fight at all. So in the starting of Bhagavad Gita, in the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, when he saw his relatives and all, and he's like totally bewildered, what does he say? What is he saying? He's saying, Vipattusche sharire me rom harsha vijayate Gandhiva sansrate hasta takta jaiva paridayate. He's saying, मेरा सारा शरीर कांप रहा है, मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं, मेरा गांधी धनुष मेरे हाथ से सरकता जा रहा है, मेरी त्वचा जल रही है. So such strong symptoms he is exhibiting. Such strong symptoms. Why? Because he is confused, he is bewildered,
Confused.
he doesn't want to fight, he wants to
Fight it.
back out. Yeah, he wants to back out. So that was the right moment when Krishna decided, yes, now I should tell this Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna.
Okay.
And Krishna spoke Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna in midst of this war for about 45 minutes. So
Yeah.
this 45 minutes, the most crucial time of Arjuna's life. And after listening to Bhagavad Gita, what happened? What changes came into the life of Arjuna? And what is Arjuna saying at the end of Bhagavad Gita? Just let us see.
Yeah.
Arjuna says, नष्टमोह स्मृतिलब्ध त्वत्प्रसादा अच्युतः स्थितोऽस्मि गत्सन्देह करिष्यसि वचनं त्वं करिष्यसि वचनं त्वं. अब मैं वो कहूँगा करूँगा जो आप करोगे. Initially what he was saying, no, 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 I will not fight.
Not fight the war.
But now he's saying, no, now I will do whatever you say. Why?
Yeah.
Because my bewilderment is lost. My bewilderment, नष्ट मोह, नष्ट मेरा मोह नष्ट हो चुका है.
Yeah.
मेरी स्मृति वापस आ चुकी है. What smriti? What kind of smriti? That who am
Who
I?
we.
Yeah, who am I? Because in
Okay.
midst of the war, what had Krishna spoken in Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna? He did not tell him how you have to fight, what you have to do, whom you have to target. All this he didn't tell. What he told to Arjuna was who you are, who am I,
Oh, right.
what is Prakriti, what is Kal, what is Karma. All these things, subject matters he
Yeah.
was discussing. And after listening to all these subject matters, he got totally transformed.
Okay.
He
Like,
got totally transformed.
completely changed his mindset.
Mindset. So that is why even if we listen to Bhagavad Gita, we will also have a transformation in our life.
Yeah.
We will also have a
Yeah.
transformation. So very important to live our life according to the teachings and principles of Bhagavad Gita. That is how we can just come out of the critical situations of the life, come out of the war like situation of our life.
Like you said, our life is itself a war.
It's a war.
Every moment is like a war.
Yeah.
We are only taking efforts to survive it. Everybody on their own pace.
And the only way out is to live life according to Bhagavad Gita. There's
Yeah.
no other way out. There's no other way out.
So that, according to Bhagavad Gita, if we start to live, we practice to live, so we can actually find success in material
Yes.
world as well.
Yeah, so Arjuna's life got transformed in 45 minutes. Maybe our life can be transformed in, if not in 45 minutes, maybe in 45 days or 45 months. But at least, yes, we will be on the right path.
That's true. We are not uh, as intelligent as Arjuna. He was on a very high consciousness level.
Exactly,
But we
exactly.
can at least, I think, we can at least
We can at least
try
form.
to, we can begin at least
Yeah,
to
yes,
study
yes.
as much as we can absorb inside us.
Very nice.
So thank you so much, Mataji. This, after your answer, it was uncovered that ये एक बहुत important बात थी and इसको this is addressed very rarely. So thank you for clearing this for us, and stay tuned because we will be bringing in so much more interesting and rarely asked questions.